Hi guys, thanks for joining us here at alphainvestors.club, where today we will be reviewing SNOVio. SNOVio is a decentralized lead generation and sourcing platform working based on the principles of blockchain technology and smart contracts. We use crowdsourcing data collection to grow our database of potential leads. This method of data collection puts us a step ahead of other lead generation services who depend on centralized models of data collection. Thanks to our smart reward system, we've further incentivized contributors to regularly renew old data and keep our database up to date. This system allows us to boost revenue from selling each lead and reward all process participants proportionally. Data on all transactions between contributors and customers are stored in a distributed register. All purchases and sales transactions are carried out through smart contracts to ensure the transaction's security. We find the main principles of quality data provision to be as follows. Source of lead information transparency. Client can see the full history of the lead, including the lead source, the time when data was added to the system, the number of times the data was already sold, client's reviews about contributor and other details. Data exclusivity and high-quality information. The system guarantees relevance of information. There is no chance that you'll purchase leads with invalid email addresses and phone numbers. Data updates. This feature provides you with the opportunity to receive immediate notifications upon changes in data of any lead. Contributors add new potential leads to and update the existing ones in the system. Contributors, every activity is saved and stored in a comprehensive history log to account for a fair distribution of revenue from selling data to final customers. Customers have the possibility to set the criteria to find the required leads for their business. Additionally, they receive immediate notifications whenever information changes or is updated in any lead that they have bought. The platform, which connects contributors with customers, works on a basis of blockchain technology and smart contracts, which guarantee fair distribution of revenue between all parties. Tokens are used for internal accounting between customers, the platform, and contributors, as well as for rewarding users for adding data to and updating data in the system. The number of tokens is permanent and constant, equaling 2.5 billion pieces, and contributors are rewarded with tokens for adding new data to the system, which is bought by other users. At any moment, each token gives access to 1/10 millionth part of the entire database of contacts. Here are its benefits for the clients. For token buyers, the lead generation market is valued at $30 billion with a constant annual growth rate of 20%, and by purchasing Snovio tokens, you are supporting a win-win project as well as securing substantial privileges for your lead generation account as a token holder. For contributors, revenue distribution model is transparent and reliable. Contributors are rewarded with credits for adding new leads to or updating already existing ones in the system. For customers, sourcing for HR departments and sales specialists, the ability to receive immediate notification about leads and candidates' updated information. This means that you'll have access to a continuously updated database. What SNOV token is? We will release 2.5 billion SNOV tokens, and their number will forever remain the same. Tokens can be fractionalized to the 8-digit past the decimal point. Tokens will be used to reward contributors in case the data was purchased. For this purpose, 10% of emitted tokens is reserved. When this reserve is exhausted, Snovio will buy the tokens back from exchanges. So thanks for tuning in, and be sure to join our Alpha Investors email list, alphainvestors.club. Stay tuned for our next review.